Hi everyone, it's Neya and welcome back to my channel. If you love luxury, fashion, lifestyle, unboxings, reviews, hauls and vlogs, and Zara, you'll find yourself right at home here. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be alerted whenever I upload a new video. So let's get right into this haul. So this is going to be a huge Zara haul, guys. Zara did have a sale. When I tell you guys, 1 and 2, okay? I have my ginger tea, so give me a second. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first item is a denim dress. It's a button up. It has like a little tie. The tie is so cute. It looks like this. This is just a long sleeve. So I thought this was cute. So that's the first item. So the next is these shorts. Just nice, lightweight, comfortable linen short. Linen shorts for the summer. So yes, it has to have pockets for me. I love pockets, like one pocket on the back. Next, this is like a halter vest. It looks white, but it's actually kind of like an ivory off-white color. The back kind of just has some straps, kind of like how your bra strap would be, adjustable straps in the back. And then faux pockets, 2 faux pockets in the front. Okay, the next item, crop tank tops. To wear like in the summer under blazers. So this is what this looks like. And then I also got the same thing in white. Basic cute little summer crop tank. I got this black dress, sleeveless. And this is really perfect. You can dress this up, dress it down. So it's just a regular black dress. This is a regular like linen kind of pants or like summery, just black. A nice lightweight casual pant for the summer. It feels like it would be really comfortable. And it'll also keep you really cool in the summer. Next, I got this long black skirt. That's the bottom. It'll fit me as a nice, comfy, long skirt for the summer. Next, another pair of shorts. This is like a beige. If Zara calls this ecru, I'm not sure. It says with linen. This one comes with a belt. And yeah, it looks like this. The last item from the first box is, again, another summery pant. This is a beige kind of color. It may look white, but it's beige. Drawstring waist. And of course, pockets. And yeah, nice and lightweight. That's it. We're done the first box. So next we have, it can be worn as a shirt or as a jacket in white. It does have a belt and a buckle, a gold buckle right here, which I love. Oh, the buttons are so pretty. I love the buttons gold detail right here. All the buttons are gold. They're so pretty. Yeah, I can't wait to try this one on. I think this is going to be really cute as a jacket. With some white mules or white slides in the summer. The sleeves can also roll up. Very, very cute. Love this one. Okay. Next we have this. It's a knitted dress. And the color is navy and beige. And the sleeves are detailed. The bottom also has a little bit of the beige trim. Next we have this orange shirt. I wanted to add a little bit of color because most of the stuff that I purchased was a neutral. I wanted to get a little pop of color, so I got this orange crop shirt, short sleeve, kind of like that boxy kind of style at the bottom. Really easy to wear. This one's cut big too, guys, because this is also a small, loose and comfy for the summer. Okay, next is this pink top. This is actually my daughter's top. This is a small in this cut, and the orange one I just showed you guys was also a small. And if you guys can see the difference, like this is just a completely different small, but it has a lot of stretch. Next, got this blazer. Shoulder pads. Let me see if they're removable, because I know some people don't like shoulder pads. I do, because I like a puffy, dramatic sleeve. I'm all about sleeves, just dramatic effect on my clothing, yet still being simple. And these don't look removable, are they? No, I think they're stitched in. Okay, it does have a little waist tie. I do love belts, ties, anything at my waist. So next we have this dress, similar to the black one I showed you. And this is like an olive green color. Next I have this puff sleeve top, and just has like a really big dramatic sleeve. Really pretty. It's olive green color. Another one of these cropped shirts, the same boxy one similar to the orange, just in black. About a week before I got this order, I did purchase these two jackets, so I'm going to show it to you guys now. One is already hung up, and this one I thought was so cute. Look at this burgundy. Love this jacket. I love the buttons. And there's a short jacket. And, well, not really short. I mean, yeah, it's compared to the other ones I've had, it does hit me at my waist. And I just love this color. Of course, it's so hard to get burgundy this season. I normally love burgundy and wear burgundy all the time in the fall, but this season, this past winter, it's been like the color of the season that's just hard to get. So I was really happy to get this in my size. Look at the lining on the inside. The quality on this one is amazing. Love that so much. So that's one. And so this one is another, you guys probably know, another long wrap coat. I love long coats that have ties, that wrap. So I ended up getting this one. I do have this same coat in black. I love this color. I decided to go ahead with this like beige color. Yeah, I just love this. I don't think the coats were on sale, but like everything else I got was on sale. Sale, great prices. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I appreciate everyone watching my video. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for all your comments. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching.